Preparing your house for the market. So one of the most important things about selling your house are the inspections and repairs. So there's three types of inspections I would suggest: a home inspection, a termite inspection, and a sewer line inspection. And I would use those inspections and I would do the major repairs. When you do the inspections yourself, you actually get control over how much you pay for the repairs. You can call in a handyman as long as the handyman is licensed and knows what they are doing, or you can call in a general contractor. So there's some things that have to be done. For instance, the house has to be thoroughly cleaned from the top to the bottom. The lights, the baseboards, every bit of the property needs to be cleaned. The house has to be decluttered. Every light in the house must be changed to an ultra bright bulb. That helps also. Please, when you're prepping this house, make sure that you have fresh paint where necessary. Fresh paint where necessary would be baseboards, doors and closet doors, things that have lots of marks on them. If the entire house looks like it needs to be painted, then paint the entire house. Two colors that are very popular right now is a very light tan or a very light gray, depending on the accent colors around your house. If your house is prominently brown, then go with the light tan. If your house is prominently gray, then go with the light grays. Try not to put a bunch of other color in there unless, of course, it is decorations through pillows or maybe a pop of a curtain or a tablecloth, but nothing that actually sets the color to the house, okay? Thorough cleaning. Take everything out of the closets and only put back in there what you need for a 30 to 90 day period. If there's two of you, go down to 2 plates, 2 forks, 2 spoons, 2 glasses, and wash them and use them again and again and again. When people come through the house, they want to see that you're ready to leave. They want to know that you're done and that it is now time for them to make this house their own. Thank you very much. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe.